Yeah, thank you, Professor Pathak, and good afternoon, my faculty colleagues and the students. So, Professor Pathak, I will share one screen and so that I can, yeah, hopefully it is visible. Can you see, Professor Pathak, the screen? Okay, so many congratulations to all new entrants of the PhD program and the PG program of the departments. In the production section, we have two PG programs: Production Industrial System Engineering and Additive Joining Technologies. And certainly, the PhD program is common for the entire department. People work in multidisciplinary areas, so there is nothing like the area discrimination or the demarcation kind of thing. So, welcome all new entrants. Here, I will talk little bit about little more details of the various subjects and the concerned teacher, more details of the concerned teachers. Then talk about the faculty members and their research areas, as well as the kind of the timetable. Also, I will try to talk a little bit about where we can find, because what I have seen is students are little means at least one or two students have emailed me like they are not able to find where to go. So I'll try to share that information as well. So here, going quickly, the scheme and subject teachers, lab information, subject-wise, the course faculty, contact information, timetable. I'll suggest like please go through the e-notice board of the department, which you can see or you can find here. You see e-notice board. It's in department main page. You can see in the left side there is a e-notice. So that is very important and everybody must see. And to know the faculty members and their research areas, because we have around 45 faculty members. So the research areas of each faculty members are like say 5 to 10 areas in which they work, and of course few things have been already highlighted in the production in the design and thermal section. So in as far as the scheme of the PI section is concerned, there are five. So there are five courses, as you can see, and it shows the corresponding credits which is required for the PhD requirement, like certain number of the credits to be done. So, and then the kind of that lecture, tutorial, and practical, and the kind of the weightage. You see, this weightage is flexible because considering the pandemic situation, these weightages keep on changing. So these the weightages are not very hard and fast, but the semester completion plan and how the semester will be going on, about that the DAPC and the communications will keep on coming from the institute. The subject wise detail, apart from the fifth subject which is taken by the colleagues from the mathematics department, the five subjects. So these are the kind of you can say the details of the faculty members for four different subjects taken by the PI section faculty members, like Professor A.K. Sharma, Professor Pradeep Kumar, Professor Varun Sharman, Akshay Divedi, and the Professor D.B. Karunakar. So for four different subjects, four different teachers, their corresponding details and contact number. This is important because nowadays you have to get the contact you have to get the contact and connect with the faculty members to get the link of the lectures wherever and whenever they are being done. So hopefully those who have already got, it's fine. If you don't have, please try to contact through email or through the contact number, so that you can at least approach to them. This is the additive and the joining technology scheme, wherein again we have the five courses you can see here, and the four courses are common. Sorry, these are the program core courses, and one course is taken by the taken by the colleagues from the mathematics department. Again, here you can see the ranges, but the what kind of the range that will be allowed, that depends on the scenario and situation as per the COVID, and accordingly the decisions are taken by the academic affairs office of the institute. Uh, these are the different program core courses and the corresponding faculty members and the email and contact details. Sorry, my contact details are missing. So here 983701434. This is my contact number, because I mentioned others, but I forgot to mention mine only. So you can approach those who are not able to contact the concerned people. They can drop the email, they can contact through the phone. As I said, to fulfill the credit requirement for PhD and to satisfy and to complete the various program core courses, these are the courses which are currently being offered in the autumn semester by the section for the students. So this is you can say mix of all courses. A few courses are for UG also, but they are of the 500 category, like the operation management, quality management, advanced manufacturing, design for manufacturability, machine tool design, supply chain management, metal forming, additive manufacturing, fusion joining technology, solid state joining technology, and material characterization. If any of you are interested in, especially those PhD students, because in PG autumn semester it's a program core courses only in both the joining technology, additive and joining technologies, and the production industrial system engineering. We have only program courses, there is no elective course, but this list can be useful for the PhD students who might be interested in one or other subject which is already being made available or which is already being offered by the department. Okay, these are the, so this is just a summary of the entire timetable, which can easily be found at the e-notice board of the department. You know, since there are various situations, various kind of conditions which are existing, so there is every possibility, like based on the interactions with the student, the faculty members may change or may go for a suitable slot. Sometimes there is a conflict or the clash of the slot with the for the PhD students with the because they take the subjects of the different departments and the subject of the different streams. So to avoid that kind of clash, also some kind of the shifting and changes are done. This is just to have some kind of idea, and you may find the details of this timetable in the institute in the department e-notice board also. Okay, as far as the faculty members are concerned, these are mentioned in alphabetic order only. I have mentioned just one area, but every faculty will be working at least 5 to 10 areas also, just to have the broader idea of, I am mentioning just one. Like Professor Amit Chaudhary works in the area of machining, then Professor Akshay Dwivedi, advanced manufacturing, then Professor A.K. Sharma in area of the microwave material processing, Professor D.B. Karunakar in the area of casting, D.K. Dwivedi in the area of joining, Professor Dinesh Kumar in the area of industrial engineering, Professor I.D. Singh in the area of composites, Professor Kaushik Pal, nanomaterials, Professor Rahul Malik, advanced manufacturing, Professor Samik Basak in broadly area of the farming, Sneha Singh, manufacturing, Professor Varun Sharma, additive manufacturing, Professor Pradeep Kumar, advanced manufacturing, Professor P.K. Jain, industrial engineering and foundation. But this list is very, very indicative, you see, because every faculty is working at least 5 to 10 areas. So I request you to just refer the department faculty page so that you can have more comprehensive idea of like in the different kind of the research work which is being done, and so that you can accordingly interact as per the need. It's not necessary that he is your supervisor. As per the area of expertise, you can also interact with anybody, not necessarily of the PI section, but anybody of the any faculty member of the department or of the institute also. You see, these are the different laboratories. Those highlighted in green are, like say, the research laboratories, like advanced composites. Professor I.D. Singh takes care of this care of this lab, and the professor microwave material processing is taken care of by Professor A.K. Sharma. Other labs are where like UG or PG classes are also held. In these labs are also classes are held, like few practicals are done there. The students will be visiting and seeing the demonstration of the things, how the composite is developed. So basically these are the two research labs where also the students visit for the UG practicals and the PG practicals. Advanced manufacturing, Professor in charge, Professor Akshay Devedi and Professor Pradeep Kumar are these two faculty members, professor in charge of the advanced manufacturing, where you can see like ultrasonic machining, electrochemical machining, electro discharge machining, or many hybrid machines which have been developed by the research group working in the area of advanced manufacturing. Then variety of different machines are there, like a mixer, cutter, and I think there is some injection molding machine. The press is also there for processing the composite in the advanced composite lab. And in the foundry engineering lab, professor in charges are like Professor Pradeep Kumar and Professor D.B. Karunakar, and they have all facilities including your induction furnace, split furnace, electric furnaces for melting, and thereafter for testing different types of the tests which need to be performed on the sand molds. So the different casting, melting as well as the testing facilities are available in the foundry engineering lab. In heat treatment lab, professor in charge are Professor A.K. Sharma and Professor P.K. Jha. So the different furnaces are there for performing the variety of the heat treatment which is needed for the property alteration and improvement in performance of the weld joints, cast components, etc. Then machine tool laboratory. This is primarily a research laboratory, although nowadays UG students are also doing the practical they are in. And this lab, the professor in charge for this lab is Professor Amit Chaudhary and Professor R.S. Malik. Okay, and here you will find the CNC machine and all machines which are needed for research related with the metal cutting, or the variety of the areas related with the metal cutting. Okay, so the lathe machines, milling machine, shaping, and all heavy robust machines are there. Then metrology lab, professor in charges for metrology lab are Professor Varun Sharma and Professor I.D. Singh. And here you will find all metrological instruments. Apart from that, the instruments which are very commonly used, like the microscopes as well as the stereoscopic microscope. So those are commonly used by the UG PhD students for capturing the macro and micro images of the samples and the components that they manufacture. The microwave material processing, this very good lab. Lot of research activities are going on, and a lot of patents are also filed by the researchers working in this group, including Professor A.K. Sharma. And they have different types of the microwave systems as well as the facilities for material characterization, like microscope and the micro furnace. Then the welding lab, the professor in charge for this lab is taken care of by, like say, Professor Kaushik Pal and Professor D.K. Devedi, myself. In the welding lab, we have a range of the welding and joining facilities, all types of the fusion welding, like GTA, GMA, SAW, conventional welding, and plasma welding, and optical profile cutters. And in the solid state also we have like frictionist welding, diffusion bonding, even ultrasonic welding is available in a composite lab. And then there is resistance welding processes. Then we have the welding metallurgy and chemical analysis lab. Professor Navneet Arora and Professor D.V. Karnakar are professor in charge for this welding, metallurgy and chemical lab. In this lab, basically the metallurgical aspects and the chemical analysis of the different joints or of the modification of the surfaces, those kind of things are studied. Even the metallurgical and microstructural studies are carried out. So we have basically micro hardness tester, as well as the microscopes, metallurgical microscopes in this lab with the image analysis facilities. Then we have weld testing lab and NDT lab, where both mechanical DT testing and NDT testing facilities are there, and Professor S. Basak and Professor Navneet Arora are the professor in charge for the weld testing and the NDT lab, where all DPT, MPT or ultrasonic testing facilities are available. And on the destructive part, like say the toughness test, tensile test, fatigue test, all those tests are available. Even creep test facilities is available. And lastly, the work science lab. It's basically the work system design kind of thing, where the practicals related to the work study and method study are performed, and Professor Sneha Singh and Professor Indradeep are the professor in charge for this lab. To know more details with the photographs, their capabilities of these machines, I'll request you to go through the details related with the different major research facilities at this department web page of research facilities and the laboratories. Okay, so there you can find the things in more detail. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you, Professor. If there is any query, please let me know.